Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on POCO X6 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on the bottom right here, then next one is on top of your screen right here, and that's a phone call speaker. There's also this thing right here, which I'm not sure if it's a speaker, but we're gonna check it anyway. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. So the sound was coming from this speaker and this one as well. And right here, I'm not sure if it was coming from this one, but I guess not, because it was very silent, and this might as well be the phone call speaker. So I can anyway confirm that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.